Get started with our YouTube app. The thing that I want, basically the idea is we're making a video player app that can stream video. You can upload videos and you can play the videos. And that would be the ultimate goal. We obviously could do a lot more things and go a lot further. And every single day, we're building a YouTube app. The idea is a video player app. Straightforward. You can upload videos and you can load videos. Yes, Rithvik. All right, we did it. Do I need a private key? I can give it to you later. Yes, you don't need it. You don't need it right now. You do not need it. Quick fix. We could give it to you later though. It's not needed right now. So you can get going with the existing tech. Okay, so with the existing API keys. Let's see here. All right, so what do we want to do today? We have a plan for today. I would like to see, we could do some PubNub file hosting. Sounds good. All right, good to hear it. We could do PubNub file hosting. And then today we could view the video. We should be able to view the video. Afada, hey, how's it going? Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right, so I think this is the plan. We could do these things. If we do file hosting here, it's going to be a lot easier because then we just point the video player to the file, and it'll be way easier. A lot easier. So let's see if we can at least get the view of the video file. So we should be able to download the video. Technically, this is the download video, or stream the video. This will be the plan for today. I did not plan this out. I do not know specifically what we're going to need to do it. If I was going to do this from scratch and without on my own, I would do chunked encoding, simple chunked encoding. I think that would be I would just stream it kind of slowly, like small little bits of chunk, just enough to where the video can play over time. Are we vibe coding the front end just to do a simple version? Yes. Yes, we will. We'll do. So that also could be something that we want to do. So vibe code front end to video player. So we could do that. That would be using FreeBuff. Maybe. I mean, when I used it yesterday, it took like minutes. It took minutes to load. Like a lot of minutes. So we'll see. We'll try it out. If that doesn't work, we'll do like Codex or Claude or something else. It works again in seconds? Okay, we'll give it a try. You know what? What we could do is we can just boot this up here. Physical FreeBuff. Okay, we'll try it. Yo, Raj, good to see you. Hey, what's up? Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. All right, we'll see if that works. All right, try it for free. See, am I doing it right? Okay. Let's see. Some were offline. All right, it was a server upgrade. Got it. Okay. So let's see, 1 hour left. All right, in session. I'm not familiar with this. I've never done this. Wait, so the video stuff works? Oh, hey, Neva. Yeah, so we've got this is the part. Good to see you, Neva. Welcome on in. So the parts that we have here, we've got quite a bit working so far. What do we have working so far? We uploaded the video, and we've got a video directory. So we've got an API where we can post video, upload it. Looks good. We don't have a video streaming endpoint yet. So we need to build that first. We need to do HTTP video streaming FastAPI. Let's see what options are available to us. Yeah. Let's take a look here. Low latency video API. No. To implement HTTP video streaming, is this chunked encoding is what I'm curious about, because that's how I would do it. That's how I would do it. Oh, it looks like it is. Oh, wait. Yield chunk. Oh, look at that. That's pretty straightforward. Streaming response. Is that chunked encoding? Let's find out. You know what? We could probably just look at the source. All right, I like this. Look, that's going to be really easy. See, I love easy, simple, clean stuff. This is great. What's next week's stream? Next week, so we've got a couple of ideas. So once we get the video streaming here, and that's all good, then I want to switch over to another project probably. Wait, you're from Texas? No way! So we do have a video file, and it's stored in the database. So we should be able to list the videos. That should work. And then maybe grab a thumbnail of the video. Maybe you could do that as well. Something like that. Nice. All right. Okay. Here we go, you guys. Let's do streaming video today. We're gonna do streaming video. That's the plan. Let's see if we can get some streaming video here. All right. I want to go to our video file. We're gonna open up the reference again. Here we go. And then we'll say chunk. That's a big chunk size. That's a pretty big chunk size, but I think that'll be fine here. So 1 megabyte chunk size. And we've got our video file, so we don't need to worry about that. Grab this. Here we go. Responses, streaming response. Do we need to, so here, 1 second. I don't think I need that. Not in the model file. I don't need that in model file. Let's keep going. So I want to do this part here. Yeah. All right, so path, string, video streamer, path. Open the file, and then we're gonna grab all the chunks. And then file like, what is that? Oh, this must be the link or something. That's weird. And then yield the chunk. So this is an iterator. All right, so we got a real iterator here. Steven, look into JSHLS. It seems to do the video thing well. Okay. Google JSHLS. All right, let's take a look at this. HLS JavaScript library, implement a live streaming client. Oh, perfect. That's exactly what we need. Okay, so this is the front end. Thank you, Neva. All right, perfect. It supports all the things. Let's bring this in, you guys. Let's bring this in. So I'm going to bring this over here. I want to open up our to-do list and then put this on our to-do list for today, maybe. Here we go. All right, HLS right there. All right, we want live streams too, right? If we have time to add it. For now, we did want to add it in there, right? That was one of the things that we wanted to add. So I do want to put like a cap on the amount of time that we spend on this project. True? Yeah, perfect. All right. So I would like to at least get the video upload part, like the minimum viable is getting like, you can upload videos and you can watch videos, right? That's the MVP. If we can do that, I think we're in a good spot. Then it's just, we could start adding features from there if we wanted to make it go further. Let's do our streaming video. I want to do the streaming video. I think I'm going to really enjoy this part of this. All right, let's go to chunk size. Let's go back to our reference. We need to pull in the video streaming part of this. Okay, so let's call this stream. Let's type it out so we memorize it a little bit better. So we'll do def stream, and we say the video ID, the ID, and then that will allow us to grab the file because we know what the file is a string. Okay, so path equals, we need to figure out where our path is. 1 second. Here we go. File, oh, PWE. What we should do is we should make this a global. PWD. There we go. Let's make this a global present working directory. Here, paste it, delete. All right, here's the present working directory. So now we can reuse that. So we can reuse it across different. What is our path? Where is this at? PWD, file name. All right, we'll just do this here. File name, upload directory. All right, yeah, there we go. Worked that real easy. I love it. The code's already good. We can even create a get like a little helper function. Let's do that really quick. All right, so we're gonna say def get video file, and then we say video ID string, and then we'll return this basically. Return. And then we just simply easy pass this in over here. So that way, now we have a uniform file. There we go, perfect. All right, so now we can just use this. Perfect. All right, a nice little helper function there for the chunks. And we'll yield the chunks. That's it. Keeping it easy right there. So this is just an iterator. It's a really simple iterator. Okay, so with open file name mode equals read binary mode as handle. There we go. And then we'll say, we do want to say chunk. Chunk is a good name for this. Handle dot read chunk size. And then we are building the streaming part of the video. So we've got the video upload complete. The video upload works. And now we're going to be streaming the video back to a client. HTTP streaming. It's a new technology. Have you ever heard of it? Hey, Hassan. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Happy Sunday. Good to have you here. All right, let's keep going, you guys. So now we did the streaming part. Now all we have to do is test it. Can't we? You need to do a little bit of here. We have to do we have to do controller first. We have to do the controller. Here, let's do the controller part first. Let's see here. 1 second. Main file. Go to main. There we go. Video. So this is the fetch video. This is the post video. Now, I'm just trying to think of how we're going to do this. So we just need to do streaming response now. So let's grab this over here. We're going to grab the streaming response right there. Okay. Then we need to return a streaming response based on the video path. And so now we just need to we need to get the video ID. Right, we just need the video ID and we should be able to start streaming back the data. Video streaming. There's a baseline model for the baseline prediction and comparison. Okay. All right. Sounds good. Just scikit-learn would be enough, yeah. Maybe XGBoost if you need accuracy and don't care for a reason. Usually not the case though. All right. See? Right there. We got some validation. Good to hear it. All right, so we're going to return a string. So where do we want this in our controller at? We need this in our controller here. So we've got our upload. We've got our post. Are we doing... Let me see here. I'm going to make a video. Sounds good. Need to figure out where we're going to do our video stream. I think I'm just going to say stream. We'll just do /stream. How about we do that? All right, at app.get /stream. That'll be streaming our video. Async def stream. And then we need the video ID. Video _ID as a string. Okay. There we go. And then we're going to return the reference. Streamable. There we go. And then we need to say video we could get the iterator, right? Can we get the iterator? Yeah, I think we can get the video iterator. We can do this. Videos.stream video ID. Right? And then we can return the iterator. Or we would call this a streamer. Streamable. We would just call it streamable. Like that. There we go. Okay. I think that's it. Now we just got to test it. Now we just got to test it to see if it's good. We're going to do our streaming video. So I'd like to be able to fetch this video. All right. So it didn't like that. Line 72, huh? 72. There we go. 72 on this file here. Let's go to our backend, not the database, the videos. Here we go. So this is where it failed, but it doesn't make sense. Line 72, if not chunk, break. Break is outside the loop. Oh, we're missing something here. Okay. 1 second. Let's go back to our reference. While true. All right, that's what it is. Okay. While true. Got to start a loop. Done. Easy. All right. All right, there we go. There we go. When it works, make a pull request. There we go. All right, good call. How far are we in the YouTube journey till now? So if you're talking about the video editor app that we're currently using, the video app that we're making, right? We're building YouTube. We're building a video app for the most part. You can upload videos and you can watch videos. That's going to be the MVP. That's going to be the MVP. If you're talking about that, we're mostly there on the backend side. So we have all the video loading, uploading, and streaming. And I just need to test the streaming part of it. So that's where we're currently at. We can get our test going. So vi test. Let's do this. Vi test. All right. So this will upload our file. Now that gets us back a, what do you call it? A result. So I wonder if we can pass a result into this. So can we say, what do you call this? Can we do curl-sl? And then we say, we'll wrap it. And then we'll pass in video ID or video data. I think video ID. Let's just say video ID. We'll try that. And then we'll print the video ID. Oh, echo money video ID. Here we go. We'll just print a bunch of those. Okay. So that should run. Let's double check here. ./test. Okay. Okay. So this is the video data. This is, you see, video data. Data. There we go. We need to grab the video ID. So let's do this. All right. So video ID, video underscore ID equals echo money video. Pipe this into JQ. jQuery. Yeah. Not, or QJ. No, JQ. And then we say dot ID. I think, right? And then we can echo the video ID. There we go. All right, let's see if that works. Loads. Did it work? Video ID not found. Oh, right, here. I did that wrong. Let's grab the data. Looking good there. Okay. Try it again. There it is right there. Video ID. Okay. So now what we can do is we can stream the video. We can stream it. So now that we've got our video ID, let's see if we can load the stream. So we're going to do a curl SL, and then we're going to say HTTP 00, a bunch of zeros, colon 8000. Here we go. /stream question mark. Do we want to say video ID, or we just say ID equals? I think we should just say ID equals. Let's update our backend here really quick. Main. There we go. There we go. And I want, let me see here real quick. What are we looking for? The stream endpoint. Or let's call this the ID. Let's say ID. Let's be the video ID. Like that. I think that'll be good. Yeah, you know, we'll just keep it video ID. Video ID. Okay. Save everything. Looking good. Now we need to say the video ID here. Okay. Let's do MDN. Mozilla Developer Network, Fetch API. Is this the right one? Is this it? Is there an example in here? Let's see if we can get some examples here. Or is there a different one? Is it the Fetch? Is this it? Do you guys know? It's been so long. Resource options. Okay, I think this is it. I think we just say fetch. Yes, Nina Bias. Oh, that's the one. All right, thank you. Obviously, what are we doing today? We're gonna see. So we got our video backend working. We've got the video upload, and we've got the video streaming done. So we've got video upload and video streaming. That part's complete. Now we just need to test it. I know the video upload works. The video streaming didn't crash when we tested it. I just want to see it firsthand. I want to see it firsthand. So we're going to assign the ID of the video, and we're going to see if it works. Then, so can we do like await? Can we do await? Await. So we're going to try await. We're going to try the fetch await. So we'll say fetch, and then we need to say, we need to do, let's do this. Let host origin equals HTTP ://0000 8000. So that's the main. Right? And then we could say, let's see, can we do a template literal? Let's do an origin. Money origin, right? Like that. Yo, with the JavaScript, all right. I love that one. That's one of my favorite ones. I like that one. Let's see. Oh, for JavaScript. It's hurting my eyes. Yeah, I know. We're doing a little bit, just a smidgen of JavaScript here. I love JavaScript. Me too, obviously. I love JavaScript. This is my language. It's my language, you guys. I love it. Mentioning the other social apps on here is a bad idea. Yeah, I mean, somewhat. Yeah, somewhat. Usually you want to keep everyone on the platform where they're living. Keep everyone on the platform. You don't want to leave them. You don't want to leave them. Oh, we have to put it in, like, thank you. Like that. Like that right there. All right. Origin in the brackets. /stream video ID equals. This is for the stream. No, we don't want to stream that. This is going to be something else. We need to grab the video ID. We need to get videos. Let's list videos. Let videos equals. We're going to do a fetch on the videos. We just want, I think it's called videos. What was it? Do you remember? We wrote it just yesterday. Go main. All right, we want to list videos. Yeah, it's just videos. Okay. And then we can have a query, and we're just going to put query equals empty. empty for now. And limit equals, we'll say 2. We'll do a limit of 2 right there. Okay. So this will be our videos. And we have to say await. Right? Await. All right, let's see if that does the trick. All right. There we go. Excellent, excellent. Okay, okay. It's absurd. Oh, hey, Destructive Lotus. Good to see ya. Still can't figure out what an arrays actually means in JavaScript. Arrays? Arrays in JavaScript are really log videos. All right, this is here. Okay. You're like, no, you can't do that. Yeah, you can. Yes, you can. It's valid. I like minimal. I like minimal. There we go. Okay. All right, let's see here. Save. Open front end index. Okay. So open up our window here. Okay. So let's zoom in on this. Okay. Uncaught error await. Oh, we got to throw async. Right. Let's see here. How do we want to do this? So we could probably wrap this, yeah? We'll wrap it up here. So now we've got a very basic video fetcher here. Let me see. Reload. Syntax error. Undefined origin. It's right here, though. It's right there. That should work perfectly fine. See? Right there. Origin. Oh, wait. Oh, right. Okay. So we need to make this async. So let's wrap this as a function that we're going to execute. All right. And then we need to wrap it like this. There we go. We'll just say underscore. And then we'll execute it like that. Semicolon at the end. And then I think we could say, do we say async here? Async, right? We say async here, right? Does that work? Do you guys know? I think that'll work, right? All right, let's try this. Access fetch at problem. It didn't like that. Where's this at? Let's see here. Fetch. All right, so let's do this. Let's hide this really quick. Okay, save, reload, console. Videos is not defined, right? Let's hide that. There we go. Okay, making progress. We're making now where we need to see the video streaming in our browser. We're at that point right now. Old, cold, yeah, exactly. Shadow, you got it, Shadow Gear. That's the Chrome, you got it. I think you've allowed cores, and yes, exactly. Hey, Dund, you got it. We're gonna do that. Cores, got him with cores. Let's see, Google FastAPI add cores headers all star. We'll add all of them. Every course header. All right. There's a middleware, which we could do. App to add middleware. Okay. Actually, this is it. We just copy and paste that right there. Right there. Obviously. So let's go to our back end here, our main file. Set paste. There we go. So we're going to add cores for everything. Origins. Allows cookies with credentials, methods, and headers. Okay. So that should do, oh, we need to import this. What do we import it as? Okay, middleware. All right, let's just grab this here. All right. Save. Good to go. Okay. Cores. Hey, look at that. We got a response. Where's the data? Headers. All right. Let's go to our network. Network, yeah. Okay. Videos, 404. Okay. Detail not found. Oh, query limit videos. All right. So let's see. By test. Where's our list here? Oh, maybe it's called video. Video question mark. So not plural. All right. We can fix that. Front end, HTML, video. There we go. Like that. There we go. Okay. Perfect. Look at this really quick here. Backend, main. All right, video, query. Here we go. Results, search. Okay, so we need to open up our model file, videos, and it's called, was it called search? Search, here we go. Query videos. Oh, it is implemented. Nina, you were right. Oh my goodness. Okay. So we need to say what the data is. All right, so let's try that. That's what the problem is. Here we go. Let's say query equals beep. How about try that? Let's see if that works. Okay. Let's see here, you guys. That might have been the trick. The trick all along. There it is. All right, we got data. Here we go. Excellent. All right, progress. We're making progress. We got our videos. So now that we got our video ID, what we need to do is we need to grab that video ID and then run it through our streamer. We need to update the source of our video element in the HTML page to give it the stream URL. So let's do that right now, yeah? All right, let's try this. Let's try this. Okay, so we're going to say H1. All right, video stream test. H1. There we go. Okay. Yo, crazy. I was an instant. Oh, it's so good, right? You need to make the stream with manual latency for pre-recording, like voice to text. Right? Because then otherwise, usually, typically, it is going to have high latency and it's always delayed. We're building a YouTube app. Basically, we're going to do a video streaming app. We're doing video streaming app here. All right. So now that we've got the data, we need to grab the video ID. Set no paste. There we go. So we need to grab the video ID, which is over here. Where is that at? Here we go. So it is going to be videos 0 ID. Video 0 ID. So let video ID equals videos 0 ID. Right? I think that's what we need to do right there. All right. Then I should be able to print that. This console log video ID. Here we go. All right, let's try this. Here we go. Save, save, save. Using video frames via PubNub. Oh, see, now that would have been a good idea. We're just doing basic. We're doing basic stuff here. If you want to make it like production grade, I would use PubNub for all this. We're just doing everything right here in the, and like a Docker container, for example. I identify as a program running template. Identify as a program running template. Wait, Kyle, I missed the joke. I missed the joke. Let's see if this works here. All right, go back to our console. Got an error reading ID. All right, so it didn't like that. Why not? Here we go. Okay. No, I want. Let's see what it returned here. Let's go back to network. Videos. The first element, and then ID. That looks perfectly fine to me. Oh, it's an object. Oh my goodness. Okay. I want to change that. So I'm going to, well, you know what? I suppose we can, videos, fine, whatever. Okay. Videos 0 ID. There we go. So the first element. All right. Now it's good. All right. Console. Reading 0? Really? Hold on. Let's get rid of this real quick. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what we're dealing with here. Videos. Here we go. Okay. All right. Oh, it's a response. Oh, that's why. We need to grab the data. All right. So we need to grab the data. All right. A little bit of a free buff. Nice. Parker, I've been using Docker a lot lately. I'm glad I picked it up after Claude recommended it for a project. Nice. I use lots of Docker. We're using it right now. We're using Docker right here for our database. Make Q unique UI in the videos and the thumbnail on a transparent rectangle. Oh, yes. Yes, that does sound like a good approach. I'm with you on that. I like that approach too. I'm with you on that. Okay. So I see what the problem is. We need to finish this off here. So we need to get the response. Is there a .json? Can we do that? Do we have to await it twice? So we have to say response and then let videos equals, there we go, response.json. I think, right? Await, because it's a promise. See if that works. We'll log the response. Yes.json. Okay, nice. I'm remembering from way the past. So UDP. Oh, let me guess your video frames PubNub. Oh, it would be. Savant, if it would be, that would have been. We could have done that. Yes, we could have done that. That's correct. Nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. See, it's been a while since I've done this. It's been a little bit of a while. Okay. So let's see if this loads. All right, got to click the right window. Here we go. Console. All right, video's not defined. We can fix that. Not a problem. Here we go. All right, videos, video. Oh, right here. Okay, let's comment this out first. All right, make sure there's no errors. Good to go. Okay, let's try this. No errors on that. Yep, no errors. Okay, good. Docker is a nice front end container abstraction. However, I'm using Podman. There we go. Open source. Excellent. Danger, BSD. Okay. Lots of AI slop. There's a lot of AI slop. Recommend best way to learning coding, only know basic Python. I recommend the best way to learn coding is to do something difficult with a software. Videos typed wrong? Oh, is that what it is? Oh, it is. Hey, thank you. Nina, you're paying attention. Okay, video. Let's do this. Video. All right. That's what it was. Thank you, Nina. All right. Thank you. Look at that. There we go. Videos in the array. Perfect. Okay. So now we can get the ID. Print out the ID. Reload. Boom. Right there. We did it. Right here. That's the video ID. So now we've got the information to be able to actually load the video. So let's see if we did it. So now that I've got my video ID, now what I can do is I can say player.src equals, let's make our video URL. Let video URL, thank you for the reactions, you guys, equal to a template literal. We're going to say origin. We're going to say stream video underscore ID equals our video ID. There we go. All right. Then we just say video URL and hope and pray that this works. Hey, here we go. Yo, hey, look at that right there. I see something that looks like a video. Yo, check that out. It's blurry. We can make it better. All right, we're getting close. We're getting really close, you guys. Hey, right? That's like the first. That counts. That counts as victory. Now we just got to make it autoplay. Is it autoplay, right? Let's see, autoplay. Let's see if that works. Reload. Yep, no, didn't autoplay. Okay, so let me add controls. We got to add controls. Video controls. All right, so autoplay equals true. We'll say true. Maybe it's just called controls. There we go, controls true, there we go. Okay. All right, let's see if it worked, you guys. Let's see if it worked. You need a good refresher, to be honest. The stuff I'm doing with the AI forces me to fight over the create, read, update, and delete, and the ACID. Yes, the ACID transactions. Good architecture with the OSWAP security testing. Have to go study, roll turn. All right, happy hiker, sounds good. Here we go. Moment of truth. Is it gonna work? All right, I'm not reloading it yet. I'm gonna ask a poll. I think we might be ready. Will the video play? Will it play? I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Is it gonna play? When I press the button? Yo, in just 90. Thank you for following. Good to have you here. Happy Sunday. Oh, all right. You joined the right channel for software engineering. We're currently building. You don't think so? You don't think so, Nina? Uh-oh. All right. Well, we should have enough to make it play, I think. Did you just hit a line? No, I was just cleaning my mouth off. That's all I was doing. Did I just hit a line? Oh. Second guy to vote. All right, thank you. Here we go, you guys. We're gonna find out. Moment of truth. Is the video gonna play or not? I'm gonna press reload. Here we go. Reload happening right now. Here we go. Oh, here we go. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, we did it. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, oh, it's stopping. It's stopping part way. Uh-oh, we got a problem. Can we sneak? Can we seek it? You don't have to deal with parsing anything. It only gives me the first few bits. It only gives me the first megabyte. Oh, but that counts. All right, we did it. No, it worked. It worked. Yes, it worked. You mean yes. You mean yes. Okay, Nina. Wow, you guys, we did it. We got. It's got it partially working. Partially working. Partially working. All right. So now we just got to figure out why the video isn't fully streaming. Right? Why the video is not fully streaming. How does it work? JavaScript primitives for the video, WebSocket? No, we're just doing streaming. We're streaming video. It's kind of like how all the major video studios do it. Half works. Yeah, 50%. I think that counts though. If you voted yes, you win. If you clicked yes, it counts. 100% that counts. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. All right. Take a look at that, you guys. Take a look. Okay, so how do we get it to... I'm going to reload that, autoplay, and then for some reason... parsing anything? All right. Let's mute that. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is... it's working. Ah, it counts as working, right? It counts. It counts. Quick fix. We did it, you guys. We did it. So now what I'd like to do is get the video so that way it can stream completely, right? Because it's only getting the first megabyte. So we should get the rest of the megabytes. And I don't know why it's not giving me the full megabytes here. I really don't. So let's see here. Git add, 1 second, git status, git commit, a message. We're going to say video streaming success with a few party poppers, right? We can do a few party poppers here. There we go. Party poppers right there. Push to the main branch. Good to go. Okay. Making our way. Making our way. So yeah, this is just regular streaming HTTP. All right. Vi backend main. Here we go. Right here. Simple, easy. And if you look at the model file here in the videos, stream, it's this simple. It's this simple. Right here. That's it. That's all it is. Keeping it easy. Easy, easy. Okay, streaming HTTP. Yep. It is an iterable. We created an iterator. An iterable. Yo, how's it going there, Bob Paul? Good to see you. Hidden sound. Yo, hidden in sound. Hello. Welcome on in. You're building machine learning that can predict diseases. Oh, right. Excellent, Bob Paul. Good to hear it. But no sync used. What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, you just got to stream the video. It's just binary data, right? Why you got to be anything special or fancy? In the back end, maybe chunk size, a range, and a header. Yeah, so here's our chunk size. It's 1 megabyte. It's a 1 megabyte. And that is going to give us the first stream there. You need to chunk only once before the loop, and then the loop yields the same first chunk forever. Oh. Oh. Hey, Nina, look at that. Wow. All right, so you guys, Nina solved it again. Gold star, Nina. Here we go, you guys. Here we go. You don't have to deal with parsing anything. All right. See, look how clean that is. Isn't that fantastic? We did it. Doesn't that look really good? We did it. It's streaming. Satisfying. It's just automatically passing. It's streaming. You can see. On the query, the see right here. Args, right? The keyword args. Let's commit all this code because we don't want to lose it. Git status. Yeah. Git add. Git commit. Message. Success. Full stream. Yeah, we coded all this by hand. The UI is made pretty by Quick Fix, which is vibe coded. Though, hey, it looks good. It looks really good. And yeah, now we can upload any video. We could do like video listing, so we can like scroll through videos. So we could do video listing. So we could do like an infinite scroll. So we can add like infinite scroll. So that seems to be like what we're looking at here. Bye, Steven. All right, so so we got a plan for tomorrow. Monday plan. We can add like infinite. Tomorrow we will be doing more video. It might be the last day that we do video stuff, unless like we really get into it, because I would like to move on to something else.